Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations and I'm gonna do a really kind of cool experiment today. Fingers crossed that this works out. Ignore this funky canvas. It's a reused canvas because I decided in 2020 that if I didn't love a painting, I was gonna scrape it and paint over before I moved on to a fresh canvas. So that's what you see here. I don't know what size this is. It's probably a 30 by 16, or I'll measure it and put it up in the notes. It is a gallery wrap canvas. Now, I did a pour yesterday that I really liked, and then today we went to lunch at one of our favorite places on the water called Hudson's, and the sun was out and the water was all these shades of blue. So let me grab the painting that I'm referring to. It's still a little wet, but I did this yesterday and I loved it, and it reminded me of horizon and the sunset and all the beautiful colors. And then today, let me put this back. And then today, when I'm sitting by the water having lunch, I thought, you know what, why can't I do the same thing, only have the sunset horizon on one side and the beautiful blue ocean below it. So we're gonna play, hopefully we get that look. If not, we'll get kind of a possible cool painting. Now, a lot of these paints are leftovers, so I'm going to do my best to let you know what I did here. So let's start here with our ocean. This color right here is Artist Loft Unbleached Titanium, Liquitex. This color right here is Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. This color right here is Deco Art Sapphire Extreme Sheen. And this color right here, I just kind of mixed up with some leftover paint, which was Liquitex Basic Caribbean Blue. But I mixed in with it some Artist Loft Black to kind of deepen it up a little bit. Now it's just like a beautiful rich Payne's Gray, which I am really digging on. And then our sunset is going to be, and I'm going from memory, guys, because a lot of these were leftover paints, is Golden Iridescent Bronze, which is in this cup right here. This is Deco Art Extreme Sheen Espresso, and I don't have the bottle anymore. This is a mix of golden gold and Deco Art 24 karat gold left over from yesterday's pour. This right here is the Molten Metals Copper. The guy next to it is the Molten Metals Rojo Gold, which I thought would play well with a nice sunset. This is my Artist Loft Black, and this for luck is what, my friends? It is, this is the wrong bottle, but it's my Golden Iridescent Pearl. So what I'm going to do is I am going to move these guys out of the way, put them aside, prep my base coat, and I'm going to do this a little bit different. I know that I've told you in the past that when you enhance your pours with a popsicle stick or an additional ring pour on top or running your skewer through it, it's always best to do it after you've done most of your tilting. Because if you need to tilt a little bit with your enhancements, there's not a lot of movement in the paint. So what I'm going to do today is I'm probably going to pour my sunset first, and I'm going to tilt it and get it to a point where there's not much movement in the paint, and then I'm going to pour my ocean scene. So as I'm tilting that, my sunset doesn't move too much. So we're experimenting, and I'm happy that you're here to experience this with me. So wish me luck, guys. I'm going to get quiet, take care of prepping this canvas. We're going to use my Artist Loft Black. My pouring medium is what it usually is, which is 75% Floetrol to 25% GAC 800. It's about 50% pouring medium to 50% paint. If it's a heavy body paint like a metallic, a little bit more pouring medium. I didn't use any water in these colors. So as always, guys, if you have any questions, reach out. I always do my best to answer each and every one of you. So we're gonna get busy now, guys. Wish me luck.